Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the app installed and permissions enabled. Now open Windy and sign in or continue as guest. Tap the map to center on your current location, then select the primary overlay, wind, rain, or radar, so data loads faster. Once done, pin a favorite location by long pressing the map. This creates a quick access shortcut. Make sure to set units, km/h or mph, degrees C or degrees F, in settings so all displays match your preference while you continue to the next steps. You'll now tailor the map to your needs. Open the layer menu and stack overlays like waves, clouds, and air quality for a complete view. Next, switch between weather models, ECMOF or GFS, to compare forecasts. This helps you understand variability and confidence. Use the timeline at the bottom to scrub through forecasts and pinch to zoom into higher resolution areas. Finally, drag the cross-section or open the profile tool for vertical wind and temperature details. This explains how conditions change with height. You're almost done. Save favorites and create a preset map layout so you can return instantly to the views you trust. Export a snapshot or share a windy link when coordinating with others. This preserves overlays and the timeline position. If data seems stale or missing, first toggle between models, then pull to refresh or restart the app. If problems persist, confirm location permissions and network connectivity. Remember, switching models often resolves small discrepancies and restores useful forecast detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.